To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLC? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLC na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the addressee, and all. So what we can
We are
only,
not inquiring as to the nature of the transfer, just
No.
whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of the AMLC.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same
That
account.
will
Will
be
fine?
enough.
Yes.
Okay.
That will
let us
be
let-
enough.
okay. So for
Madam Chair, to be clarified, no? When you say, pag sinabi po ninyong movement, ibig sabihin, may deposito?
there's
Tama
a
po ba?
transaction. There's a
From
transaction.
From one transaction to another.
Yes, Madam
So, ibig
Chair.
sabihin, may deposito na ganitong amount sa isang bangko, pumasok sa isang bangko. Tama po ba?
We'll have to verify if it is a fund transfer or fund out or deposit.
Nonetheless, please limit your answer to what appears already
Okay.
in the report.
Okay.
So, for the guidance of the members, I think that will be enough response to the query of the Honorable De Lima, that on such date, there is similar transaction appearing in the AMLC report.
Yeah.
Let us be consistent to the nature of our proceeding, that we are merely determining the existence of probable cause.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Next,
So-
please.
For Annex H, can we show again?
Annex H, please flash.
So for December 9, 2014, on our records, based on our records, there is a transaction amounting to 16,852,832.94.
Confirm, Madam Chair.
So similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Next.
For March 28, 2014, there is a transaction amounting to 41,721,035 pesos, 0.62.
In other words, it's confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
For Sige. For May 19, 2010, there is a transaction that we saw in the amount of 2,001,000 pesos, 563.86.
Confirm. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
On February 4, 2010, there is a transaction amounting to 10,374,307.49.
Confirmed again. Similar transaction appear in the report.
Can we get the last in Annex H? The last one we were unable, in page 10, we were unable to capture.
Kindly state the last transaction in Annex H, Honorable De Lima.
10,374,370
We have confirmed
307.49
that
at page 12.
in page 10, Madam Chair,
Page 10.
the transaction in page 10. Wala.
Page 10, that's March 3, 2011,
Alright.
in
So-
the amount of 1,750,617.84.
So we inform that there is a transaction on our records dated March 3, 2011 in the amount of 1,750,617.84.
Confirmed.
Confirm. Similar transaction appear in AMLC report.
Then for can we ask the last one, the one involving 1 million pesos, the particular date, Madam Chair?
Meron ba? Page 9, 1 million. Dated March 28, 2011. Ay, 1 million? Yes. March 28, 2011.
Okay. We confirm, rather, we inform that there is a transaction in the amount of 1 million on March 28, 2011.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. That's a total of how many transactions, Honorable De Lima?
It's supposed to be 5.
Total
Maybe
of 5 transactions for Annex H, all confirmed by the AMLC. Similar transactions appear in the AMLC report. Are you ready for the next annex?
Yes, Annex I.
Annex I.
That's the one from Samuel Uy, Sami Uy.
Please flash Annex I.
We inform that based on our records, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07 on March 17, 2011.
Confirmed.
For the first transaction, confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
We inform that on October 25, 2011, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
Likewise, confirmed for the second transaction. Similar transaction appear in AMLC report. Third,
On April 24, 2012, we inform that there's a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
the third transaction is likewise confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. So this total of 3 transactions appearing in Annex I with the title Sami Uy Payouts to Sara Duterte and Family. All of this were confirmed by the AMLC that similar transactions appear in their report.
Madam Chair, point of clarification.
Honorable DS J.J. Suarez.
Tama po ba ang pagkaunawa ko na ito pong kinukumpirma ng AMLC ay yung mga lumabas sa sinumpaang salaysay ng ating dating Senador Sonny Trillanes?
That is correct.
So ito po yung mga ilan sa mga bank records na binabanggit. Ngayon po, at nakakailang banggit na po tayo na lumalabas ay tama.
At least similar transactions exist in
Randomly
the
selected.
AMLC report.
These are randomly selected
Yes.
entries. or
Transactions were randomly selected by the Honorable De Lima, and she requested the confirmation of the AMLC whether or not similar transactions appear. And so far, 8 transactions have been confirmed already by the AMLC.
Maraming salamat po,
8
Madam
out
Chair,
of
for the
8.
clarification.
Are you ready to continue, AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay,
for
what annex is that?
Annex B.
Please flash Annex B. First transaction.
So we inform that there is a similar transaction based on our records on June 11, 2015 in the amount of 2,450,000 pesos.
Confirmed, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
We informed that on December 6, 2013, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,987,542.24.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the report.
We confirmed that on January 31, 2012, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,926,594.60.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear.
We informed that on May 19, 2010, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,001,563.86 pesos, centavos.
Third transaction is confirmed.
And we informed that there is a transaction on May 14, 2008 in the amount of 2,114,168.43.
Confirmed again, appearing in the report.
So that's the fifth one po, Madam Chair.
That's
So
the
the
fifth.
last for,
So
Annex
far we
B.
have 13 out of 13 transactions randomly selected by the Honorable De Lima, but confirmed to be existing at least as similar transactions in the AMLC report. Ready to continue, AMLC?
Madam Chair, may we ask the the Congressman De Lima if we can get again the accounts in Annex A? We were not able to jot down.
Annex A.
yes po. Also, these are also 5 transactions. Number 9, page 1 of Annex A, 55,131,747.32, March 28, 2014. Got it po? The second one po, number 16, page 1, 41,721,035.62, October 7, 2013. Third, randomly selected entry at page 3, number 44, page 3, amount of 53,817,613.48, February 25, 2010. Fourth, at page 4, number 60, amount of 52,485,191.85, April 14, 2009. And the fifth one, also at page 4, number 64, 49,281,009.98, May 22, 2007. 5 randomly selected entries from Annex A, joint account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte.
Do you need more time? Ready to answer?
Yes, Madam Chair.
You may proceed.
We confirm that for all the dates and amounts mentioned, there are similar transactions existing in the AMLC report.
Okay. What annex is this again?
Annex A.
So 5 out of 5 transactions randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A is confirmed by the AMLC at least that similar transactions appear in their report. Are there any other subject of confirmations? No more.
Marami po kasi ito, that's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So in total, how many transactions have been confirmed?
There are 4 annexes, so 5 times 4, 20,
Plus 3.
plus 3.
So
No, no,
total
no,
of
no,
23 transactions were subject matter of request for confirmation.
Kasama na po doon yung 3, yung sa
Yes.
Sami Uy. So 20.
23 out
20.
of 23.
Oh, 18.
18.
Sorry po,
We just
18 because Annex A, Annex B, Annex H, and Annex I. So 4, 3 times 5, 1 is only 3. So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
that one we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report
record, 18 out of 18 transactions randomly selected from the annexes of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record. Honorable De Lima, do you have further clarificatory questions?
Just a manifestation, Madam Chair. So nakita po natin na na-confirm po ng AMLAC yung mga entries na randomly selected from the annexes. At gusto ko ring i-put on record po, Madam Chair, na actually marami po ito. But that's it, because of lack of time, I just opted to ask for 5 from the 3 annexes and 3 from the other annex. Pero marami po. Sa Annex A po, there are a total of 71 entries. Annex B, Annex A, by the way, is Rodrigo Duterte, Sara Duterte bank transactions. Annex B, which is the Sara Duterte Manscarpio bank transactions, a total of 47. Annex H, the master list, the data, the main record, the master, the table of all already of the accounts here would be a total of, wala ho palang nakalagay na mga number kung ilan lahat, but this is medyo numerous po ito. And sa Annex A ho, as Annex I, which is the Samuel Sami Uy payout to Sara Duterte and family, there are a total of 20 entries. So marami po sila na mga transactions. So that is all for me, because this is just a clarificatory questions. I just wanted that those clarified, particularly the confirmation. Very significant po yung pag-confirm nung lahat na randomly selected na entries.
Thank you, Honorable De Lima.